Okay, so now we're going to look at these harder verbs. And yeah, they're harder because they're more irregular in the conjugation. And so you say ya lublю, the stress is on the end. But with every other form, it's on the first syllable. Ti lubish, on ljubit, anna. Yeah, remember that the stress is on the in anna. It's not anna, it's anna. Anna ljubit, mój ljubim, wy lubicie, ani ljubit. Yeah? So that's love. That's how you say love, and this is why we say ja lubię tibia. I love you. But maybe Anna nie lubit tibia. Maybe she doesn't love you. Yeah, Anna nie lubit. Yeah, so it'll be Anna nie lubit tibia. Yeah, if you want to say that, or if you want to say anything with this love, if you want to say we love, and then something like soup, it's mój lubim soup. Yeah, simple as that. Mój lubim soup. If you want to say we love and then a feminine noun like ryba, mój lubim rybu. Rybu. Yeah, because accusative, because of this u, knigu, maszynu, kwartiru, rybu. Yeah, mój lubim rybu. Yeah. Okay, so that's the love verb. This is the hate verb, and I've got some good news. When you learn this verb, you're actually learning two verbs, because the verb to see is видеть.
Здравствуйте! Сегодня новые слова. Фрукты. Банан, лимон, киви, апельсин, яблоко, ананас, грейпфрут, клубника, виноград, арбуз. Овощи. Помидор, салат, фасоль, цветная капуста, картофель или картошка, огурец, брокколи, чеснок, капуста, лук, горох, гриб, перец. Какие овощи вы любите? Немножко грамматики. Глагол любить. Я люблю. Ты любишь. Он, она любит. Вы любите. Мы любим. Они любят.